Hello, today I will talking about increment and decrement. Increment and decrement in PHP. I want to create a variable to get increment of numbers. Look for this example, v equals 1, echo v. For example, I want to create a website. When the visitors come to my website, the traffics or visitors for my websites get increment. I want to count the visitors of my website, so I want to use increment. Let's say this example, v equals 0, echo v plus plus. Let's say v equals 0. We can use this here. Reload. It's equal with 12 equals 1. Okay, let's print this. But we are to choose different. Okay, the first it was 1, then it changed, get 1 increment to be 2. Let's create, we don't have new database to storage our values, so I will creating get copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Reload. We have incremented 1 visitors, 2 visitors, until we have 7 visitors. When we using increment, this increment in PHP, increment in PHP, very simple like increment, but using double minus. We have a 10 value here, v equal 10, we echo v. Let's say it was 10, increment 1, it being 9. Let's create more of this. Reload. It was 10, 9 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 until it get it be 3. So this only about incrementation. You can using incrementation and for loops. I will learn use this in next tutorials in PHP. Will using for each and for loops, while everything about loops. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help us share our channel and subscribe. Thank you.